So let's talk about the vocabulary for weeks 5 through 7. We have words like teacher, student, janitor. Words like this, they kind of have an ER or an OR on the end. In ASL, the fancy term for that is called the agent. The easier way to look at that is to think about the fact that you're talking about a person. And sometimes in ASL, the agent or the person part of it is where you take your two hands and you just go straight down. And I think of it as you're outlining a person. You have your two this side. So for teacher, it is a person that imparts information. So it's a compound sign. And so the first thing you do is you take the information out, and then you do your agent or your person. So the sign for teacher is teacher. Student is a learner. They're taking information in up to their head, and then the agent or the person. That has morphed over the years, and so now it is student. Friend, principal is kind of a circle and then lands on the rock. Janitor is like you're sweeping and then your person. Library is an L that just circles. Hall, your two hands are kind of making the hallway. Cafeteria is a C, each side of your mouth. Bathroom is a shaking. Don't make a circle. And don't have your hand this way. Palm orientation needs to be out. And a shake. Nurse is an N at your wrist, kind of where you take your pulse. Sick, use your 8 finger at your forehead and your tummy. Sick. Homework is a compound sign. Home and work. Office is basically the same sign as room, which is just room with O's. Office. Assignment is from your mouth out to the palm of your hand. Desk is the same sign as table, so it's context. You're going to know it's desk. If you need to be specific, you would finger spell desk and then sign that. School and paper are two signs that often get signed incorrectly, and they get signed for each other. I think of school as back in like Little House on the Prairie, when the school teacher is getting everybody's attention and she's clapping her hands. So it's just a double clap at the palm of your hand. That's school. I think of paper as the machine, like the newspaper, where the paper goes going through very fast. So paper is 2 times going through. School is clapping. Then we've got colors. It's just at your hands wiggling at the bottom of your chin. Then we have pink, which is a K or a P down your chin. Red is an index finger down your chin. People say that that comes because of your bright red lipstick. In English, more English signings with an R down your chin. ASL, just do it with your index finger. Orange, you're squeezing right in front of your mouth. Then you've got several which are with the letters. Yellow, green, blue, purple. Then black is your index finger straight across your forehead. You need to do it that way. Do it straight across your forehead. There are other signs that are similar to that, so do that one just that way. White, you kind of pull off from your chest. Brown is a B down the side of your cheek. And then gray, I think of it as a mixing of all of your colors are mixing together. You need to be careful with sit, because we know that chair is a double movement. Sit is a single movement. Stand, you just have them stand. Run, play. Outside tends to be a double movement, outside. Then the rain is just the water coming down. Snow is white. And then you see it a little bit softer. And I think that's all of this week's vocabulary.